A Muslim group in the city has entrusted itself with the task of protecting cows from being slaughtered days ahead of Bakrid. Called Arab Gorakshana Samiti (AGS), the group comprises Muslims from Barkas, a suburban area of the old city here. The neighborhood, which has become synonymous over the years for being an important market that sells meat of bovine creatures, is home to a host of tribes which trace their lineage to Had Ramaut in Yemen. Abdullah bin Ali Bahamid, president of AGS and a lawyer by profession, chooses to call the initiative a movement which intends to bring about communal harmony. We are working towards building a spirit of brotherhood among Hindus and Muslims. No nation can survive if there is a trust deficit between communities. The Hindus revere the cow, and there is no harm if Muslims respect their sentiments. By law, cow slaughter is prohibited, he said. AGS members say that about 200 people from over 25 tribes have joined forces. These include youth and NRIs from the United Arab Emirates as well. But why begin from Barkas? Charity begins from home. Had the movement begun from another place, questions about our sincerity would arise, he said. AGS members clarify that they will not take the law into their hands. Persons who are found transporting cows will be stopped and asked to return them to the sellers. If this doesn't happen, we will inform the police, said Abdul Rahim Bawazir, an AGS member. Members of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, which recently launched a nationwide campaign from the city against the saffronization of the country, rejected the AGS's claims. The board's Assistant General Secretary, Abdul Rahim Qureshi, points out, though such a hadith does exist, there is consensus among scholars of repute that its chain of narration is weak. There is no such hadith in the 6 authentic collections, Bukhari, Muslim, Abu Dawood, Tirmizi and Ibn Majah. The hadith quoted by them is outside the 6. It is a very weak hadith, he said.